Okay, we're in direct mode and we want to go to local mode. Direct mode is when your phone is directly connected to the Wi-Fi module on your spa. Local mode is where you connect to the Wi-Fi module on your spa through your home router. So you've got to be in direct mode to get to allocate or connect your spa Wi-Fi module onto the home network. And from that point forward, you can use local mode when you're at home, or you can use cloud mode when you're not at home. So when you're in direct mode, press the settings, little two gears in the top right, and you'll see the Wi-Fi screen here. And this Wi-Fi screen comes up. Now you want to enter your Wi-Fi network name, also known as your Wi-Fi SSID. And for this one, I'm going to do a demo here of WISE. You have to enter it twice to ensure or eliminate the risk of typos. And this is important. You want to make sure this is correct. If you don't know this information, this is something you have to get from your home Wi-Fi network. Wise Tiger, password 1. And then there's two options on top. There's an enter button on the top right. I'm going to press that in a second. And then there's four different options for security. 99% of the time it will be WPA, so that's what it defaults to. So most likely you will not have to touch that. Go ahead and press the top right button to enter it. And you'll see a pop-up menu here that says your spa is connecting to the internet. This process may take 1 to 2 minutes. Please wait a few moments before connecting with local mode. So I'm just going to wait a minute here, allow the spa Wi-Fi module to connect and establish the permanent connection with the home Wi-Fi router, and then we're going to go right into local mode. Okay, you can press local connect here, and it'll have a button here that pops up and says, to use local mode, your phone must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your BWA module. So let me go and come back here and check, and I was not connected to it. So now I'm going to make sure that my home Wi-Fi router is the network I've selected for my phone, and that is connected. So then I'm going to press OK, and you can see I went right into local mode. You'll see it on the top right, this little Wi-Fi symbol, and then it even has the name of the network. And I'm able to control the spa and control the temperature or control any of the settings here.